Good morning, grade 1 and 2. I'm here on Wednesday, ready to do your morning routine with you. Let's click on calendars, go to April. Okay, here we go. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. I noticed some of you noticed that I mixed up the date yesterday. It was the 7th yesterday, not the 6th, and I had that wrong in my morning message, so sorry about that. I didn't mean that. Today, I'm not going to ask you anything about the calendar. We are going to look at some other stuff, so let's keep going. How many days have we been in school? We're going to add one more day. We have no switches for a while because we know we don't have to switch anything until we get to 10 in the ones column. So we can see that we have been in school for 134 days. You could practice writing out the expanded form today if you haven't done it in a few days. You could go ahead and pause the video now if you feel like you need to practice that. Okay, let's see our tallies. We haven't had to count tallies in a while. I'm going to call on Ocean. Can you count all the way to 134, counting by fives? Practice that. Pause the video if you need to. It is the 134th day of school. We are going to add a penny. And we have a loonie, a quarter, a nickel, and 4 pennies, and that equals $1.34. I wonder what you could buy for $1.34. Maybe a treat at a convenience store or a small ice cream cone at Dairy Queen? Okay, let's carry on with our new Fact Families page. You're going to be working on some Fact Family work later on this week, I think on Thursday, so this will be a good practice for you. I'm going to spin the wheel now, and hopefully we don't get 14. Oh, we got 14 again. That's okay, we can do 14 again because we can pick different numbers. I forget what we did for 14. I think yesterday we did 10 plus 4, so I'm going to choose 2 new numbers that if we add them together, they equal 14. I want David to pause the video now and come up with 2 numbers that equal 14 when you put them together. Everybody else can try it if you want as well. Okay, I'm going to choose 8. And if I don't know what goes here, I can use my count up strategy all the way to 14 to figure out what is missing. Let's do that together. So we grab 8 in our head, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Once we get to 14, we stop and we count our fingers. How many fingers do I have, boys and girls? You're right, it's 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14, which means 6 plus 8 also equals 14. Good job. Now, for the next part, we know that the answers cannot be 14. When we have subtraction questions, the biggest number has to go first. So our 14s are going to hang out here. And it's pretty easy to fill in the rest of our Fact Family house because we know it's either going to be 8 or 6. So let's start with 6. If we had 14 and we took away 6, let's go backwards. 14 take away 6, that would equal 8. And if we switch that around, 14 minus 8 would also equal 6. Good job if you knew that. You can practice one of these other numbers if you want at home, but we'll be doing more of this kind of work to come. Good job if you already knew how to do that. Okay, let's head to our morning message. It's an exciting day today. It says, good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Today is National Zoo Lovers Day. My favorite animal is I can't choose. I love all animals. What is your favorite animal in the world? Tell us in our Google Hangouts chat after the morning message. Love, Miss McLeod. There are 3 mistakes today. Pause and try and find them on your own. They're pretty easy today. I want everybody trying to find them today. It is good practice to do this every morning because it helps us learn what a full sentence looks like. Okay, here we go. Let's go through it with our red pen. Good morning, boys and girls. Who noticed this? This says, good morning, boys and girls. I wrote my B backwards. This is supposed to be a B that goes this way. Good job. I bet you most of you found that because this is how my morning message starts every day. Today is National Zoo Lovers Day. My favorite animal is I can't choose. I love all animals. Ooh, the end of a sentence with I ended my sentence with an exclamation mark, which means this W, oh, that's kind of messy, needs to be capital. Good job if you found that. We know that all sentences start with a capital letter. What is your favorite animal in the world? Tell us who noticed something wrong here. If you notice that tell has only had one L and it needs two, good job. I bet you Ashlyn found that one and Taylor. Tell us in our Google Hangouts chat after the morning message. Love, Miss McLeod. Okay, let's check out and see what our vocabulary word is today. Page 3. Ooh, our vocabulary word of the day should be pear. What do you think this pear means? I know you know what the fruit pear is, but this is a different pear. Make a prediction of what you think the word pear means before you watch the video. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have a great Wednesday. A few little notes and extras today. I am going to post on our website. We are having a special Easter parade, and some of us staff and teachers at Vincent Massey are going to drive in our cars on Thursday along the bus route and wave to you and say hello because we are missing seeing your faces. If you can make it, that would be great to see your faces. The map will be posted on our website and on our Facebook page. I had a little video chat with my friend Emery yesterday. It was so great to see her face, and she told me the funniest joke, and I want to share with all of you, and you can also share this in the Google Classroom if you have a guess to the answer, and Emery's going to tell us the answer around noon. Okay, here goes nothing. What does a rain cloud wear under her dress? I'm going to repeat that again. What does a rain cloud wear under her dress? You can answer us in the Google Hangouts and also answer us what your favorite animal is. I am excited to see all of your answers, and I'm hoping to video chat with more of you today. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye, friends.